DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, this is free sell. Now, what I do is I play this, and you can get your statistics here on F4, and I play, and if I lose I start over. I clear this. Okay, so here's how you play. I push F3, and that brings up the number of the game. Okay, look at that, from 1 to 1,000,000. Now there's only one game that you cannot win, and starts, it's 11,000 something. So if this is 11,000, I'll go to the next one. But I will take whatever they come up with, so I just say okay. Alright. Now the object of the game is to get aces up here, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fill all these up. And these are blank. These are your free sells, okay? And the way you play is like, you'll put this jack on this queen, black on red, and sometimes you have to study it, okay? Like what's your move gonna be, So this looks like a pretty hard one, so it's gonna take a while. Watch out for strings where they're all red. You try to not nail those down. I don't even see a next move here. It's gonna take a while here. There's this 2. Which one is, that's the, okay, so we got 2 aces here, so I can get rid of the aces and the 2. Is this a club? No, it's a spade. So I can't do anything with the queen, so I can get rid of the 2, the ace, and I will have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. So that's going to be tough. If I go for these, if I bring the 2 and the 2 queens up, I'll have ace, but I'll have 2 queens up here, which is, oh wait, no, the 2's going to go away. You try to limit the number you got up here to 2 at the most. So I'm going to keep playing this. I need to find a move. This is going to be a real tough one. It's probably because I'm filming it. Okay, here's a possibility here. Okay, the jack can go on the queen, the 4 can go on the 5, and then, okay, so here's a good move here. So bring the jack and the queen up, okay? Bring this jack over here, the 4 will go on here, and then I can bring the queen and the jack back down, okay? So that's nice there. But you just keep studying it, and you look for a move, and try to, don't, 2 at the most if you can, if you have to. Sometimes you got to fill them all up, but you got to have a clear plan, okay? Like I have nowhere to put this 7 right now. If I can find a place for this 6, then the 7 can go here, and I can have king, queen, jack, start a string here. But anyway, you get the idea. So like I said, this one's a little tough, but hopefully I can win it, but it's going to take some time. Where's the red 7? Red 7 there. Okay, so that, you know how to do it. Okay, I thought of a move here. If I bring this 9 up, I can move this 10-9 row here. The 3 can go there. The 10 can go there. And then our 9 can come back down. Alright? So we'll keep going here, but you get the idea. Okay, here's another move. I can bring these 2 7s up. 7, 7. I can bring this. I can bring the 5 to here, the 4 to here, and 7 and 6, and then the king up, and then the 7-6 here, and then this to here, and look at that. Okay. I think I'm ready to do this. 2, queen, bring the queen over. Now I got 2 more aces here. And this 3 will go there. Oh wait, this 3 will actually go up here. Okay. But what free cell does is it exercises your brain, okay? This keeps, because you have to think ahead, you have to figure shit out, and so it keeps your brain sharp. It actually builds brain power. So I just thought of another move. I can put this, move this over to here. I can get the whole column over there. Then this jack will go there. And like this 10 won't go there. But if I move this out of the way, it will. Okay? So, can I do this? Okay, this 5-4 will go to there. This 3 will go to there. And now I can move this whole column over to here. And then the 7 will go there. And I'm going to put this queen here. Just remember, once you get 3 free cells, cards up here, you can only move 1 card. You can only move as many cards as there are free cells, okay? So let's see what this is. Okay, so this 8-7 will go there. This 6-5-4 will go there. This 7 will go there. The jack will go there. This 8 will go here. This 10 will go there. I got 9-8 here. That'll go there. This 9 will go there. This game is almost won here. Okay. This will go here. And what I like to do is build all the strings, okay? Like our 7 will come down. And now we just got this to go. I should wait. I'll have this 1 any second now. The 4 will go there. This 6 will go here. And this string will go there. This 5 will go here. And we're almost done here. I like it to build all these up and then whoop, it'll all go there. So now we can move columns. Let's move a column there. Let's move a column here. And when we move these 2 cards to here, I think the game will be won. And you can even go here and put this there. You can put this one there. So when I move to this, it'll be a win. Here we go. Congratulations, you win. Do you want to play again? No. Okay, so there it is. Beautiful exercise for building your brain power. I play 1 game a day. Sometimes, yeah, usually just 1 a day. Okay, that's it. Hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want. We got a lot of good stuff coming. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.